Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Here we have another topic for from the chapter one of the ninth class physics, and here we have exercise and part D comprehensive question. Here we have questions from 1.1 to 1.5, and the question from our part D is what is meant by base and the drive quantities. Give the name and the symbol of SI units, base units. Here we have definitions. Base unit, as I have explained you in your initial lectures of this playlist, is here we have just one word for you, is an independent and cannot be expressed in terms of other quantities. That is the concept of the base quantities. And now we have the drive quantities. Students, if you still have any question or any confusion, any doubt in these definitions or any topic from this chapter, you can ask me anytime. I will try my best to resolve your query and answer you as soon as possible. Right, students? As I have discussed in the initial lectures, that's why I am just giving you the concept regarding these headings or topics. Here we have the drive quantities. Drive quantities are the physical quantities that are obtained from by the combining base quantity through mathematical relations, and that are the dependent. Here we have the concept dependent quantities that that's combine base quantities through the mathematical relations. Here we have the speed, force, area, volume, and these are the drive quantities. Here we have the examples in the form of table length, mass, time, and meter, kilogram, second with respectively. You can see that, and then symbols, meter, kilogram, and the seconds, and these are the remaining four quantities: temperature, electric current, intensity of light, amount of substance, and you can see their symbol and their SI units in front of them. You can read it clearly. Okay. Then our next question is, give the three example of the drive unit in SI, and how are they derived from the base unit? Describe briefly. Here we have the speed. Speed is the meter per second. Speed is the meter per second that is derived from the two base quantities. First one is the length and the second one is the time. And here we have the speed. In result we have speed. Speed is something like the meter per second, and we can write it as okay. Then the second derived quantity is the force, and that's unit is Newton, and force contain two quantities. First one is the mass, and the second one is the acceleration. 1 Newton is equal to the 1 kilogram multiply meter per second square. Then we have kilogram meter per second square. Okay. Then we have the pressure. Pressure's unit is Pascal, and that's derived from the force and the area. 1 Newton meter per square, and we can write it to 1 Pascal kilogram per meter per second square. That's the unit of the pressure. The units are called drive units because they are formed by combining SI base units through the mathematical relations, right? You can understand what I want to say. And then we have the similarities and differences between the vernier caliper and the screw gauge. Students, you can write it in that manner. Like Here we have base and here we have drive quantities. That will be helpful for your exam point of view, right? And then we have both are the both are used to measure the small length, right? And dimensions accurately. This is the similarity between the drive and the base. Oh, sorry, between the vernier caliper and the micrometer screw gauge. And the second similarity between them, both have the main scale and secondary scale for the precise reading. And both are the precision measuring instrument used in laboratories and workshops. Here we have the differences. Yes, here we have the similarity between them, differences between the vernier caliper and the micrometer screw gauge. Measures external, internal, and the depth dimension. But mean and the micrometer screw gauge mainly measures the external diameter of the thickness. Okay, there is first difference between them. I use a vernier scale and they use a circular scale or thumb scale. We can say that is also a minor difference between them. And here we have the least count is usually 0.1 millimeter for the vernier caliper, and the least count is usually 0.01 millimeter for the micrometer screw gauge. It has larger measuring range and it has a small measuring range, or we can say smaller measuring range, right? A conclusion: a micrometer screw gauge is generally more precise, while the vernier caliper are more versatile. Right, that's one point to understand both the differences and the similarities between the vernier caliper and the micrometer screw gauge. Now, the question number 1 is identify and explain the reason for the human error, random error, and the systematic error in the experiment. And here we have one comment from the member on page number 19 of the book. You can see the page number 19 of the book, or you can visit our previous lectures regarding this topic: errors, random errors, and systematic error in the experiment. And in case of any type of confusion in it, you can text us. And the last question is 1.5: differentiate between the precision and accuracy of the measurement with the example. And here we have definitions, but example will help us to understand it in better way. Measurement refer how close the measure used value is to some accepted or true value. That's the definition. Accuracy means a measurement refer to the accepted or the true value, but the measurement refer how close a group of measurement actually are to each other. That's the precision. Here we have the example. If the truth length of an object is 10.0 centimeter, and in the same in the parallel side, if you measure a length several times and get 7.5 centimeter each time, then the 7.5 centimeter, that's the precise because all readings are same. But in that point, accuracy, in an accuracy, if the truth length of an object is 10.0 centimeter and your measurement, it has 10.1 centimeter, the measurement is accurate because it is close to the truth value. That's why both accuracy and the precision are playing vital role in the understanding of our phenomena, and we cannot neglect any one of them. That's why we have to take them in the parallel way, right? in students, in case of any query, problem, or something else, you can reach me out at any time. Thank you for your attention, and will you see in the next class. Goodbye, have a nice day.